Pillow versus cushion. Pillow. Usually used in bed for sleeping. I need a soft pillow to sleep comfortably. Cushion. It is for sitting or decorating. She placed a cushion on the sofa. Emoji versus emoticon. Emoji. A small digital image or icon used to express emotions, objects, or symbols. She sent a heart emoji in her text. Emoticon. A text-based representation of a facial expression using keyboard characters. He typed as an emoticon to show he was happy. Few versus less. Few. A small number of countable things. There are few apples left. Less. A small amount of something uncountable. There is less water in the bottle. Frog versus toad. Frog. It has smooth skin and lives near water. The frog jumped into the lake. Toad. It has rough, dry skin and lives on land. The toad sat in the garden. Rock versus stone. Rock. A large solid mineral. The mountain is made of rock. Stone. A small piece of rock. He threw a stone into the lake. Earthquake versus tremor. Earthquake. A strong shaking of the earth. The earthquake damaged buildings. Tremor. A small, mild shaking. A tremor was felt before the earthquake. Among versus. Between. Among. It used when referring to more than two people or things in a group. She felt comfortable among her friends. Between. Used when referring to two people or things. She sat between her two best friends. Cemetery versus graveyard. Cemetery. A large burial place not attached to a church. He was buried in the city cemetery. Graveyard. A small burial place near a church. The old church has a graveyard. Psychologist versus psychiatrist. Psychologist. He provides therapy but cannot prescribe medicine. The psychologist helped with anxiety. Psychiatrist. A medical doctor who can prescribe medication. The psychiatrist prescribed antidepressants. Run versus jog. Run. To move fast on foot. He ran to catch the bus. Jog. To run at a slow, steady pace. She jogs every morning. Salary versus wage. Salary. A fixed monthly or yearly income. He earns a good salary. Wage. An hourly or daily pay. She gets a daily wage for her work. Path versus road. Path. A small walkway, often for walking. The path leads to the park. Road. A wide route for cars. The road is busy with traffic. Banana versus plantain. Banana. A soft, sweet fruit that can be eaten raw. She ate a banana for breakfast. Plantain. A starchy fruit, usually cooked before eating. Fried plantains are delicious. Made of versus made from. Made of. When the material remains the same. This table is made of wood. Made from. When the material is changed into something else. Paper is made from trees.